Visit Theme and Finch.
We are at Ikea today, and it is a sale of 50% off. We're here to buy all our furniture since we bought a brand new home.
See you later.
See you. We're here at Ikea and we're having a little trouble making decisions on coffee tables. I like one, she doesn't, and she thinks it's too girly.
It's too girly to the flower on there.
We're also looking for a small desk for our little miniature hallway, which can't be longer than me exactly. We made a final decision on nightstand. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's got 2 drawers, space right here on top. We had other nightstands from my house, but now we're gonna take these 2 because they're just 50% off. Look at Theme, she's so happy.
Yay! What is this?
It's lime.
What is this?
Oh, maybe this
Alligator.
alligator.
Do you know why it looks like this?
Why?
Now we're gonna go get something to eat.
We've been throughout all of Ikea. It's time to get something good.
Now we get our food.
She made me order a kids meal for it.
Right, because I have a lot of stuff right here.
Look at this. It's death by chocolate.
Mine look yummier.
Ew.
No, it tastes better.
We couldn't decide on the sauce, so we got honey mustard and ketchup. Oh, that was very heavy all day long.
Yes, now we are done. That's it what we got.
All this furniture, the nightstands, bedding. This is all Theme's decorations.
No, it's not a decoration. It's what we need.
I don't think that we need this.
We do.
This. We definitely don't need this.
It's so tired. Look at the receipt. It's so long. Don't break it.